Welcome. In this video, we're going to use ratios to find the angle measures in a triangle. We don't know any angle measures in this triangle, but we do know the ratio is 1 to 2 to 3. Therefore, we're going to set the unknown value as x. Then we can write down 1 times x. You don't need to write down 1x, you just say x, plus 2 times x, plus 3x equals 180 degrees. Why? Triangle family has 3 family members, 3 angles, 3 interior angles. The sum of 3 interior angles is always 180 degrees. Triangle sum theorem. Alright, now we can solve for x. We have 1x, 2x, 3x, total 6x. 6x is 180. Divided by 6, divided by 6 each side. X is 30. Alright, so we have the first angle measure is 30 degrees. 2 times x, 60. 3 times x, 90. This is our 30, 60, 90 degree triangles. Alright, let's practice one more. This time we have a ratio says 1 to 7 to 10. Same practice, we're going to set the unknown value as x. Therefore, I have 1 times x, 1x. Second one, 7x. Third one, 10x. Put all of them together. The sum of interior angle in a triangle is always 180. 1 plus 7 plus 10, that's 18x equals 180, x equals 10. Alright, that means our first angle is 10 degrees. Second angle, 7x, is 70. The third one, 10x, that's 100. Let's do not forget our little angle measure symbol. Okay, right here. That's it. Happy learning.